Here now is the booth of Yangsen, which is an automation solution provider, which is on show. IML Solutions with visual control and the packing. This system looks really a little bit complex. It is an 8 cavities solution of IML Solutions for carbs. It seems something wrong with the system. They are testing it. A complex one by HMD 400 ton high-speed injection molding machine. Anyway, for IML Solutions, visual control and the packing is a trend for now and in the near future. But it's didn't have a well adjusted. Still some problems with their system. Not working well. Let's show. I am the show of Yangsen automation solution.